Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. These are short, they're pithy. I tell you what you need to know. 30 seconds about me. I've worked thousands of cases. I'm a veteran IRS agent. I have many former agents on staff. We are dedicated only to IRS really tax resolutions. That's what we do. You got a problem, we have somebody to solve it. I've been on every major news station you can imagine. I've been on Fox, ABC, NBC, CBS, Newsmax, Newsday. I've been on them all. Anyway, you can go see my videos at 777irs.com. But more importantly, see my team of former IRS agents. I'm right now in a series of what different IRS audits are, and today I'm going to tell you about the audit. I've already talked about the matching program. I talked about the math error, and I talked about the correspondence audit. And today I'm going through the IRS office audit. The IRS office audit is the simplest of all audits. You go into the Internal Revenue Service. They're usually doing 1040 and Schedule C work. How these audits kick out is the computer algorithms at IRS, it's called the DIFS process, the discriminatory index function process, went ahead and they scanned your tax return and they found out a couple irregularities. Not that they're right, not that they're wrong. And usually you'll get a letter with a number of items on there that they want to see. Generally, these are the things that fell out of the norm. What the DIF score does for IRS, it goes ahead and pretty much tells you, these are the norms. You fell out of it here, you fell out of it here. They don't, just because you're out of the DIF score range and one, that doesn't mean you're going to be pulled. It's really a cumulative effect and what IRS may consider low-hanging fruit. Doesn't mean they're right, doesn't mean they're wrong. Do you go into this audit by yourself? Well, I do IRS representation. Here's the answer that I give everybody. Do you need a representation? Don't you? Here's the answer I give you. If you have a pit in your stomach about, I better not go because there's stuff on there I don't want them to see, that's when you hire someone to defend you and negotiate you, because they can steer IRS maybe in another direction. If it's a simple audit and you got most of the records and you've 80% confidence you're there, you may not have everything, you can go in by yourself. Your stomach and your pit in your gut should tell you whether you should go in or not. That's how these audits work. They're usually at the local office. They're people reasonably trained, not highly skilled, but they know their way certainly through the 1040. You want to be very efficient with them. You want to not miss any dates. You want to show them you're well organized. And if you don't have records, reconstruction is okay. If you need us, go ahead and call me. Please give me a subscription if you would. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. We do representation.